Hey guys, I hope you're fine. Let's learn IELTS advanced vocabulary together. When you choose not to consume something, here's a word for that: abstain. So the sentence will be: Jessica abstained from anything containing sugar, even chocolate. When you deviate from what is normal or expected, the sentence will be: aberrations in climate have become the norm. When something is difficult to understand, the word is abstruse. The sentence will be: English literature books are seeming abstruse because the readers are feeling stuck with them. An award granted as a special honor. Jean-Paul Sartre was not a fan of accolades. When someone is harsh in tone, the word is acerbic. Most movie critics are acerbic towards summer blockbusters. When you want someone strongly, the word will be admonish. The security personnel admonished the crowd before the beginning of the concert. When you possess a great sensitivity to the beauty of nature, the word will be aesthetic. I am a true aesthetic. When you behave differently from the accepted norm, the word will be aberrant. The police arrested the manager due to his aberrant behavior towards his colleagues. When you are highly concerned with the beauty of nature, the word will be aesthetic. And the sentence is: Mr. Talha will be remembered for his aesthetic sense. When something is vague, the word will be ambiguous. Due to the ambiguous directions from the coach, Pakistani team lost the match. When you find something abnormal, the word will be anomaly. The sentence is: the supervisor instructed his supervisee to reconduct his research due to having some anomaly in data analysis chapter. When someone shows a lack of interest in anything, the word will be apathetic. Mr. Thompson's way of teaching is very effective. Even apathetic students take interest in it. So guys, that's all for today. Try them and leave your experience in the comment section. Thank you so much.